Oh man, does technology make you want to drink sometimes, Kel?
I mean, I guess.
It does me. Today, especially because we've been working really hard to come up with this cool video for you guys. And we've been learning a lot of things along the way, which is actually good. But I'll be ready to be done.
Yeah. Well, I think we can fix. All right. Well, I'm Kelly Burns, and this is my mother, Kathy Burns, and we are here to help kind of make technology not so stressful. One
Mm-hmm.
of the things we're going to be talking about today is a program called Linktree that is pretty powerful, and we're going to show you a couple different steps of how you can utilize it in your business, and then also make it so that we've got a really cool nugget that we just discovered today that we're going to
Yeah.
save to the end. So be sure to continue watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button at the bottom, like and share. That's how we help others. And we're looking to reach as many people as we can. So we appreciate the support. So let's jump into it, Mom. Talk to us about Linktree.
Okay, I will. And I just want to remind you, if you've got questions on this, please, discuss it below, ask us different questions, because that helps us know how we can help you too.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to share my screen here. There we go. Okay.
Right.
So this is my Linktree. And what's cool about it is it's a place where you can put all the links to all the different things that are you. And a brand new thing that they just came up with, see the subscribe button? That if you add things to it, if anybody's got your Linktree, they're automatically going to know, it's automatically going to be updated, and they're going to know that you just did something. Like maybe you added something new like we just did today. I don't know how many people I have subscribed, but I think there's some stats in here, which I'll show you in a minute. So what's cool is like you can have headings for the different categories of your thing. So it kind of breaks it up. Like in the top part here, I'm a realtor. And so I've got how you can go to my website and search all kinds of homes. I've got the stats for all over the entire Charlotte era. Clearly a
Era.
typo. That's a good thing. Now I know to fix that.
Right.
But what's great about this is that's just on the real estate section of what I do. We're also helping realtors. This is our YouTube channel where you'll get some great tips and tools. That's a link that takes you right to it. And if this is on my Facebook, if I put this link on my Facebook, which I'm going to talk about in a little bit, then you're going to be able to find me and you're going to find all kinds of things. I also wrote a book for new agents about from rookie to rock star. I was 55 when I started this crazy career, and I've always liked tech, which has really helped me. And this just kind of gives some tips and tools along the way. It's only 27 pages and you can download it. Here's a blog that I've got that is connected to. Here's how to get listings off market, blah, blah, blah. But also here's a new heading, connect with Kathy, like book a call with me. That takes it right to my calendar, right? Sign up for a mailing list. That's a great way to capture your audience of who you're trying to target market, whatever you're doing, right? You want to capture a database, and that's
So
important.
real quick, are these did you put those little logos into the left?
Oh, good question, Cal. That's all part that I'm going to show you here in a minute of how you build this out, how you can do this, because it just adds to the whole look of it, right? I'm going to go back here. I'm going to go to my Linktree admin, and that's the one that I want to share. Okay, good. All right, hang in there with me. See why I want to drink sometimes? Oh my gosh.
Right, yeah.
It's
Soon, Mom.
soon. So what's cool about this is where you build it out. So you go to the here's your website that you go to. It's linktr.ee. When you sign
So
up,
this is
and
the back end of it, right?
yeah, this is the back end. So once you sign up and you've got a free version or paid for version, whatever you want to do, and now you're going to go add a link, and it shows you over here how it's going to look. You can create the appearance of it. Like there's all kinds of different things where you pick your own image that you want for you. You put the name of your bio. You're only given 80 characters. You can add your social icons that you want. I didn't do that there because I had them on there before where they were all taken over, and I decided to break them down into the links. I picked my color theme that I wanted for my whole thing, and that's how you do your background.
What are we talking about price for something like this?
I think, well, let's see if it's in here. I think it's like $9.99 a month or something like that. It's cheap. But you
And you
can,
can utilize this link tree on, for instance, I've always been frustrated with Instagram, how there's only one website that you can actually post on there. So this allows you on your Instagram page, if you wanted to have multiple ways for people to connect with you, am I correct in saying that you can actually make your link tree your web address on Instagram so that it can connect to multiple places?
yes. And that's what I'm going to show you. I don't know what we were able to do multiple things before where I could share all kinds of stuff. Okay, there's my Facebook. That's what I wanted you to see. That's what Kelly's talking about. So see, here's on my Facebook page. It's me. But in the bio, this is where you can put it in. You can put it in your TikTok. You can put it in all kinds of things. And so when you click on it, it just takes right to the link tree, which is what you want people to do if they're landing on your Facebook, your Instagram, or whatever. You want them to be able to get in touch with you. See how you can even set it up with book a call? And I did my logos.
So we're still in your Facebook page right now, but if we go back to where you were, I think that was definitely an easy way that we can actually connect with everybody. If it's all right, what I'm going to do is go ahead and give everybody a quick little nugget so we can keep this short and sweet for everyone. But I'm going to show you on your link tree. What I show is at the very, very bottom, and this is something that we discovered before, is that actually you moved it up. So you were able to kind of customize that a little bit, which is great. But you were able to say, sign up for my mailing list with the tech tips, which I love, right? And I love your emails that come out. It shows all the new emails or all the new videos that you actually do, which is awesome. So what we did is we created in Google join a mailing list, basically a form, a Google form. So I'm going to actually jump over to Google Drive really quick. For all of you who don't have Google Drive, I highly recommend it. We use it a lot for a lot of things, but so I'm going to show you in Google Drive. You just click under the new. Can you see my screen okay?
Yep.
Okay.
I can.
You click new, and then you go to Google Forms, and it's going to pop you up into this untitled form. You change the name here. Join my mailing list. I'm just going to go quick here. And then it'll change it over here. You type your form description if you want first name. That's one thing that you had mentioned before, is that most CRMs are going to have broken down, not full name. So definitely do first name. You can do first name, short answer. You can make it required. You click over here for the plus to add a question. This can be last name. And then you also click required. And then, of course, email. And if there's anything else that you want, you can put that here. And then,
and the phone number is something that a lot of people don't want to put in, but the email is important. So I would always make the email required as well.
Yeah. So what's really cool about Google Forms is that it has this response tab. So in Google Drive, along with Google Forms and Google Docs and all that, it has Google Sheets. And so it's saying, do you want to link all these responses to Google Sheets? Now I can create a brand new spreadsheet. It automatically creates it for me, or I can create an existing spreadsheet. And so what we've done is already created one. So I'm going to show really quick. Let me switch over to this. So now when someone fills out that join my mailing list on her link tree, it actually comes right to here. And it auto-populates a timestamp, the first name, last name, and email address. You can put whatever else you wanted. I didn't put my phone number in there, but it has all the information. And then what you can do is export this and then put it into a CSV file and import it into your CRM program.
Right.
Now, that's one of the things I do want to ask everybody, is because that's something we're going to kind of explore a little bit more, is what kind of CRM are you using? So be sure to comment down below and let us know. We want to learn more about all the CRMs and figure out what's the best one to use and maybe test a couple of them.
Yep. I was just on a Facebook group where someone was saying, what's the best CRM? And one of the guys responded, the one that you use, which is really true.
Very
because
true, yeah.
there's so many different kinds, and let's talk about that, which would be great when you put that down below, because we want to explore some of those and do videos on them.
Yeah, definitely. So hopefully this was helpful. We are making little short videos so that we can capture, excuse my dog here, so we can capture some good content. If there's a lot of feedback that you want more information, more detail, we'll definitely do a part 2. So be sure to comment down below, like, subscribe, share with everybody that you think could really utilize this. And we're just going to keep getting better and better at it. So we appreciate you being with us, and we look forward to seeing you next time.
I think I'll go have a drink now. See ya.
Yeah. I'll join you. Bye, guys.